the world the power of working together. What if we could create a world where everyone had clean water, good food, and a safe place to live? What if we could create a world where everyone had a chance to learn and grow? That's the dream, right? But how do we get there? What if we could create a world where everyone has access to education and a healthy environment? A world free from poverty, hunger, and inequality. This is the vision of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, a roadmap for a better future for all. But this vision requires more than just good intention. It demands global cooperation. It's not easy, but we don't have to do it alone. That's where SDG 17 Partnerships for the Goals comes in. But here's the secret. We need to work together to make them happen. Goal 17 is all about teamwork. It's about bringing together governments, businesses, charities, and even regular people like you and me to work together to make things better. We need programs that provide training, education, and financial assistance, equip communities to participate in global cooperation. It's about team effort. Think about it. If we want to fight poverty, we need governments to create good laws, businesses to create jobs, and charities to help people in need. It's a team effort. We can use our technology and resources to share information. We can use our voice. We can share each other. We can help each other learn new things. And we can help each other grow. We can do all our part to make the world a better place. So, can we really change the world? Yes, we can. So, the time to act is now. Thank you.
Next, let's have Katrina.